Hello, my name is Jason Neufeld. I'm an elder law attorney. I'm also a Medicaid planning attorney. And a lot of times people don't know what that is. And in fact, many lawyers don't know what that is. So I wanted to take the time to explain what is an elder law attorney and how and when can I help? When might one need an elder law attorney? So essentially what we're concerned with is helping our clients pay for their long-term care. Statistically speaking, almost all of us are going to wind up in a nursing home someday. While we don't like to admit it, eventually it becomes impractical to stay in the house even with a home health aide there. At some point in time, just 24-hour care becomes what's in the best interest of our older adult population. And what a lot of people don't realize is Medicare, which is the entitlement program that most of us get when we turn 65 years old, assuming we've paid into the system for a sufficient period of time, and along with all the supplements, they think that once I have Medicare, I'm good to go. And the answer is that is incorrect. Medicare provides some excellent health insurance, but it has in fact a very limited long-term care benefit. In fact, that benefit is it's 100 days. It's a 100-day lifetime benefit if someone needs to be in an institutionalized setting such as a rehab facility or a skilled nursing facility. And after 100 days, Medicare will say, we don't pay for this anymore. And then your other options are, if you have a long-term care policy, you can certainly draw on that, and you should. And other than that, most people are paying cash. And the average cost of a nursing home in the state of Florida as of 2016 is about $8,600. So that means folks who are going to be in the nursing home for a significant period of time are facing a six-figure expense. So that's 95 or more percent of Floridians, that is going to wipe them out after several years. All our friends who are middle class or upper middle class and don't have millions of dollars in the bank are going to be forced into poverty in order to pay for their long-term care, because while Medicare does not have a long-term care benefit, Medicaid does. And we all think of Medicaid as a health insurance program for the indigent or the very poor. It in fact has a very valuable long-term care benefit, and coming to an elder law attorney in advance can put you on the path to legally and ethically qualify people for Medicaid. That's what I do. And people come to me in one of two situations. They come to me in crisis. This is when, God forbid, someone has a stroke, and all of a sudden they realize that they're going to require nursing home care for the foreseeable future. They come to me, and I can ethically and legally qualify them for Medicaid. The other type of person is someone typically in their 60s or 70s, and they're either relatively healthy or they're just beginning to realize that they will eventually need a nursing home. Maybe they have the first signs of dementia or Alzheimer's or Parkinson's, and people with these diagnoses can live a long, long time, but eventually they are certainly going to need long-term care. And again, unless they have millions of dollars in the bank, without coming to an elder law attorney or a Medicaid attorney, they're going to be forced to become indigent before they would otherwise qualify for Medicaid. So when someone comes to me, not only do I qualify for Medicaid, now they can use their current resources to supplement their lifestyle to pay for things that Medicaid doesn't pay for. Medicaid does not pay for everything, although it pays for a lot. It's certainly nice to have luxuries, and instead of becoming impoverished, we can use these assets while being on Medicaid to pay for things that Medicaid would not otherwise pay for. And the other advantage, of course, is we would all like to have something in our estate to pass on to our heirs after we pass away, and Medicaid planning allows our older population to do that as well. So if you have any other questions, please call me. Again, my name is Jason Neufeld, and I greatly enjoy how I'm able to help people live the best possible life. And that's essentially what I do. Thank you.